In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a successful business using social media. Now, maybe right now you're not getting enough leads and sales into your business, or maybe you do get leads, but they're not the type of people you want to work with. You know who I mean. The people that don't pay you on time, the people that haggle over price, the people that you know are just going to be difficult to work with. Now, my name's James Nicholson, and I've generated over £20 million in sales online over the last 15 years. And I documented exactly how I did that, and I share that with entrepreneurs just like you, so you can get the same results in your business right away. Now, building a successful business via social media is very straightforward when you know how. Now, the mistakes that most people make are they try to get married on a first date. They're trying to ram their products or service down people's throats, and ultimately they push them away. You know what I mean by that. When you've been at a dinner party, someone tries to pitch you the latest multi-level marketing product or service, you just don't want to be near them, right? And that's what most businesses are doing right now. Now, to be successful in social media, you need to lead with value first. And what I mean by that is producing content like this video, where you give tips and strategies away to people, build that rapport with people, and they start the process of know, liking, and trusting you. They might need educating on how your product or service works, so they could be little tips and snippets that really position you as the go-to expert, and in those you're not going to ask for the sale at all. You're just going to give massive value to those people up front, and you'll see they'll start seeing you as the go-to expert. You'll be top of mind when they're thinking about your product or service. Now, I've documented 200 plus ways that you can do this via social media. In fact, I'm going to share with you all the best social media strategies that I've got, and I want to give that to you straight away. Now, all you need to do is click above this video or below this video and fill in your name and email, and I'll give you my social media success swipe file. It'll be in your inbox in seconds, so make sure you do that right now. Click on that link and make sure you comment on this video. I'd love to hear your feedback. I'll answer all your questions personally as well. If you're loving these videos, great. If you're not, tell us what we can do to improve them as well. That's it from me. Get that swipe file now. Cheers, guys.